So today I'm going to be attaching a ribbon to the back of this dress, and this is because normally when I wear it, it will fall off my shoulders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew some ribbon on either side at the back where the shoulders are. So either side, and then I will tie it so that it will stay up. So I'm using this ribbon, which is sheer chiffon ribbon, and what you want to do first, when you've got the length that you want, you just want to fold it in half, and then you want to pin along the edge to keep it down. And when you're choosing the length, you just need to make sure it will be long enough to tie. So when you've pinned it all the way along, you just want to sew this edge using the sewing machine. So I only left around a 3mm seam allowance. So I'm just going to sew this now. And then when you've done that, you want to turn your ribbon, basically you turn it inside out. So to do this, because it's quite narrow, you need like a safety pin, and then if you just attach it to one edge, and then what you do is you put the safety pin inside the tube that you've got. So just push it inside, and then you push it further inside, and then as it bunches up, you just want to pull it and then carry on doing this until it comes out the other end. And now I'm just going to iron it flat. But what you want to do is, depending on the material, you might need to put something over it when you iron. Because I'm using this chiffon, it will melt if I iron directly on it, so I'm just putting a tea towel over it, just so that it won't melt. But yeah, it will depend what type of fabric you're using. And now what you want to do is get one end, and you want to cut it at a diagonal, and this end will be the end of your ribbon. So as you can see, I've just sewn it along the edge here, and now what you want to do is to repeat those steps with your other piece of ribbon, so you've got two the same, and then you want to pin each side to the back of the dress or whatever it is you're sewing the ribbon onto. So I'm just folding the end over, and then I'm putting it just under the seam where the shoulder is, and then I'm just pinning that into place. And then you want to sew each bit down so that it attaches it to the dress, and then this is the finished result. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.